Up for sale, 1956 Chevy 210 Wagon. I'm going to walk around it, type out the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 56 210 Wagon, lifelong California car. Mostly original paint. It's like a Patina wagon. And I'm sorry for the little bit of background noise. They're moving out of the building or the unit where I put my, take my pictures and whatnot. So we'll do this a little differently today. But I was out of long time storage in California. The body is zero rust, very impressive. Mostly original paint from what I can tell. And when you look at it, it makes sense. It's that black primer, some like raw metal here. But just look at that. Look at all that nice patina on there, all the way down the side, going that way as well. It's got the right hubcaps on there with the white walls. It's got its original 265 in it, Powerglide automatic, and all new interior. But anyway, starting here in the front as always. Original chrome, original trim, original glass, and the original glass has no cracks, which is a bonus. This is the third of Patina wagons I've had in about 6 months now, and I'm starting to grow a liking to them. But anyway, all original in here. I mean, look at that, all the patina down there. They put a aftermarket air conditioning system in there, and it's all hooked up. The blower and the dash works, but there's a leak. The guy told me either it's this or it's this. I don't remember. He pointed to this, but told me a radiator shop, so I'm thinking it was that. But it's all there, and again, that under dash unit's nice. That does work. Your trim tag is in place, new battery, and again, just totally stock in here. The right air cleaner. Even the patina on the engine, you could have taken it and rattle canned it if you wanted to, but it looks honest the way it is. And you can see, new coil, new distributor, plugs, wires, new master cylinder, new for the steering column down there. This is new. Some of the wiring is new. Smooth as silk, drives real nice. All original under the hood too. It's just cool, just neat stuff. And it's got that natural patina on the firewall as well that I just eat up. But anyway, we'll move on the driver's side. I love the two-tone. It looks like they might have, threw a little bit of paint on there to make it less patina-y, but I like the way they laid it on because it still looks, you could fool somebody to be original. But all this green, this is absolutely original, never been touched. You can see that going all the way around here. And on the back deck here as well for the trunk lid. But anyway, like I said, I received all new interior, door panels, carpets, seat, headliner. Beautiful, really, really nice. Like, just look at that. And even like, the little piping there is new. This is new. This crank is new. These might be original. And again, looking in here in the door, how nice that original metal is. No repairs, no Bondo. That's a California wagon right there. New molding down there on the Fisher logo. You see original in here, all that kind of stuff. Your VIN, which has never been taken off. L code for California built. V for factory V8. B for 210. And then this is the old oil change sticker. There's one here, but I can't read it. This one is Stockton, California. And there's some handwriting in there, but I can't make out the date. And I don't want to fool with it. Like written in cursive with a pen. That's how old it is. There we go. Again, new carpet. You got the original steering wheel in there with a little bit of patina. Nice dash. There's the AC unit down there. They got this little for a radio, I believe, because it's got a new radio in there. All that stainless on there is original with that little bit of wear. Nice added gauges down there, quality assurance. Horn works, wipers work, the gauges work, radio works. The lights work, of course. So again, all that, like I said, electronically was gone through. And just the way they did the seat with the right seat belts, that's just quality. And even down here, like, they didn't skimp out on it. New visors, and then the headliner is just superb. Really nice with the working dome light. I mean, they could have left that not working, but no, they went and did that too. Get on top here. See a little bit of that, you know, patina up there, whatnot. And the rail here is all super nice, no bubbling in there. And here we go, mint, so mint. Looks like newer weather stripping here actually, which is nice. So let me look at this one again. Yeah, new weather stripping as well. Redid the back seat as well, see that? Really nice. Again, new door panel. This is a new crank. This is new. The little trim is new. Look how nice the back is there. Really neat. No rust down here, of course. Dual exhaust. I believe dual exhaust was standard for the power pack, so they might have changed that and added that on. I could be wrong, but I know the power pack was a 4-barrel dual exhaust. Wasn't a power pack 4-barrel dual exhaust? Yeah, but this isn't a power pack, so they must have added the dual exhaust. I'm talking to my dad. Original bumper. I even left a tow hitch on there just because, you know, probably what they did back in the day. You know, pitting on there, all original. It's got these are new with the little blue tip on there, where you fill the gas. New weather stripping here. Look how nice the corners are here. And I would show you this, but you gotta fold the back seat down to show you that. But from underneath, you can see how solid that is there. And then there is the just making out the jack and the tire iron as well. Give me 2 seconds. I need 2 hands to put this down. But anyway, lift this up, and this one will go in. This one needs just, you know, a teeny bit of help, just aligning it in, and then nice and easy. Again, patina, patina, patina. You see some checking here? Patina. It's just neat. And on top of it all, not a molested wagon by any means. Anyway, it will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video. If you want to check it out, let us know. 56 210 wagon, lifelong California car, recently out of, you know, long-term storage, tune-up interior, and I don't even know if I mentioned it. He did like a multi-stage cut, then polish, then buff, and whatever, and it just brought a beautiful shine to the original paint. Very impressive. But yeah, we are going to fire it up now, show her drive, and then get in for the driving. Thank you. Super smooth. Yeah, go back a little bit. You're good. it's a wagon, all right.
Oh yeah, why not?
It's hot in here. Whew. Yep.
I don't talk anymore in the video.
No, you don't.
I relax.
You just take it easy.
I used to talk a lot.
Oh. I was supposed to take pictures of the AC stuff that I was going to give with it.
Where's it at? On this one?
I'll look for it and see if I can find it. It was in a purple container.
In our shop or
I believe it's in our shop.
Hmm?
Yeah, our shop, I believe. I'll look for it. We'll see.
As soon as we get back, we'll look for it.
Yeah. Yep. Even like the piping is new.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, nice shape. Could be replaced.
It is replaced, yeah.
Yeah.
But that's what I'm saying, like the new piping, stuff like that. Your turn signal's still on. Yep. I was looking at ideas for my carport.
Oh,
Like design ideas.
I forgot to tell you about that.
Oh.